Okay, many of you probably remember I had submitted a ASM 126 to CGC. It was a Pedigree. And I didn't do much. I just did a couple little minor repairs of some bindery stuff and pretty much wanted to keep it as is. But the thing was perfect already. I really didn't even need to do what I did. And I'm talking about just tiniest little, I'm talking about 10 seconds of work I put into this book. And whether I should have done that or not, I mean, that's up for debate. But based on, I didn't press it. You know, that was the main thing. I didn't want to press the book. And so anyway, it came back 9.6, and I was a little bit disappointed because this book is literally perfect. I mean, I think PSA 10, I could get a PSA 10 on this book, probably. Certainly, it's certainly a 9.8 anyway, CGC. So it's back. I just resubmitted it. I didn't do anything else to it. I just resubmitted it to CGC. And I mean, if it gets 9.6 this time, I guess I'll just leave it as a 9.6. But I paid for the unlimited value grading. I mean, the best graders at CGC are the unlimited value tier, I'm sure. So I was like, I just want the best eyes possible. And if this guy or gal agrees with, you know, the other one and just says, okay, this is a 9.6, whatever, I'll move on. So that's basically what I did. So try not to look at it. Okay. Wow. What a beautiful book. Absolute perfect. Piece of history. Correct me on this. Susha news, Susha news. What is it? I don't even know. But interesting backstory on this. But I just got to know, did we get the 9.8? We did get the 9.8! Yeah! Okay. Okay. Nice. I am tempted to keep this book just because of the story now. Of how some misguided grader gave it a 9.6. Oh my god, it's actually flat in there. It's like perfectly flat. You don't see that very often, but I do see that on the unlimited value tier. If you want to get flat books in the slab without the bend gate, just submit them unlimited value. Maybe that's their ploy. I don't want to be a conspiracy guy, but every one of my unlimited tier value books are all perfectly straight lately, and the ones that are like regular modern or whatever, even vintage, have some bend to it, and sometimes it's beyond the pale and I just have to resubmit. But anyway, beautiful gold label, 9.8, white pages, Amazing Spider-Man 126. Yeah, happy. Kind of a wrong was righted here. Man, that thing looks so good. It's like no wavies on it because it hasn't been pressed, all that good stuff. It's just a perfect book. Man, 10.0 PSA, 9.8 CGC book. But yeah, so that's all I had today. I just wanted to show you this book, do the reveal, find out together. My heart's still beating a little bit faster than it should be right now because I get excited about this kind of thing. You know, turning books that were not 9.8s into 9.8s is kind of like my favorite thing to do. So stay nerdy. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.